Good morning, children. Today we are going to start SST lesson number 3, the northern and coastal plains. So let's understand first about plains. A flat and level land is called a plain. The plains of India is divided into two parts, the northern plains and the coastal plains. Today in this video we are going to study about the northern plains. The northern plain lie towards the south of the Himalayas. They start from Punjab and ends in Assam. Many rivers which originate in the Himalayas flow through the northern plains. These rivers carry water throughout the year. They bring with them broken pieces of rocks, sand and silt. The fine silt which is deposited by the rivers is called as alluvium. It is fertile and very good for crops. The area watered by river and its tributaries is called as basin. There are three important rivers here: Satluj, Ganga and Brahmaputra. So these three rivers and their tributaries form the northern plains. The northern plains are divided into three basins: the Satluj river basin, the Ganga river basin and the Brahmaputra river basin. So let's know about some important points of Satluj basin, which is in the west. River Satluj originates in Tibet. Beas is its main tributary. Punjab and Haryana are part of Satluj river basin. The Bhakra Dam, which is built across river Satluj, it generates electricity and provides water for irrigation. Now let's know about the Ganga river basin, which is in the middle. River Ganga originates from Gangotri glacier in the Himalayas. The main tributary of Ganga is Yamuna. The Ganga and its tributaries flow through Uttarakhand, UP, Bihar and West Bengal. In West Bengal, the river divides into two branches. One branch enters Bangladesh and it is called as Padma. It joins the Brahmaputra. The other branch flows through West Bengal and there it is called as Hooghly. Now let's know about Brahmaputra basin, which is in the east. River Brahmaputra originates in Tibet, where it is also called as Sangpo. It enters India through Arunachal Pradesh and flows through Assam before entering Bangladesh. The Brahmaputra and the Ganga together form the largest delta in the world, which is known as Sundarban Delta. The important states of the northern plain are Punjab, Haryana, National Capital Territory of Delhi, UP, Bihar, West Bengal and Assam. So let's know few points about these states. Punjab. The capital of Punjab is Chandigarh. People are very fond of makke ki roti, sarson ka saag and lassi. They celebrate festivals like Baisakhi and Lohri. The popular folk dance of this region are Bhangra and Gidda. And famous monuments are Golden Temple. Let's know about Haryana. The capital of Haryana is also Chandigarh. Here the main occupation is cattle rearing and dairy farming. The important places of Haryana are Faridabad and Gurgaon. Here, like the farmers of Punjab, the farmers of Haryana also use modern machines for farming. The capital of Delhi is Delhi. Delhi has many famous monuments such as the Red Fort, Qutub Minar, India Gate, Humayun's tomb, Jama Masjid, Lotus Temple and Akshardham Temple. Tourists from all over the world come to see these monuments. Here the people mostly are businessmen. and some of them work in offices. The capital of Uttar Pradesh is Lucknow. The Kumbh Mela is held every 12 years in Allahabad. And you know Allahabad is in UP. The important places are Allahabad, Agra, Varanasi. These are very popular places and the tourists visit here. Uttar Pradesh is famous for guavas and mangoes. The chikankari embroidery of Lucknow, silk saris are very famous. Let's know about our state, Bihar. The capital of Bihar is Patna. Litti chokha, sattu paratha, these are popular dishes here. Bihar is also famous for lychees and Bhagalpuri silk. Chhath is the important festival. Other festivals are also celebrated here. Durga Puja, Diwali, Holi, etc. Most people speak Maithili and Bhojpuri here. The important places of tourists are Patna, Gaya and Rajgir. West Bengal. The capital of West Bengal is Kolkata. Fishing is the important occupation, especially in the coastal region. Here the main language spoken here are Bangla. Durga Puja is the most popular festival. Darjeeling, which is in West Bengal, has many tea gardens. The important crops grown here are rice, jute and tea. The main important river is Hooghly. Let's know about Assam. Assam. The capital of Assam is Dispur. It is famous for tea and silk. Many women wear mekhla chador and blouse. Most people speak Assamese. They celebrate festival Bihu. Petroleum and natural gases are found in Digboi. So Digboi is a place in Assam. Thank you.